Hi, my name is Brad Biggie. I am the executive chef for residence dining at UBC, and today we're going to learn how to cut a cucumber. So when cutting a cucumber, especially for an application where you're looking for a dice, my recommendation is to first of all cut your cucumber in half, exposing the seeds. Then you will take that half and cut it in half again, giving you 4/4 or a quarter of the cucumber. I recommend taking the seed portion out of the cucumber. It's not necessary, but if you have any product left over, it will last longer and get less wet as it holds in your fridge. So very gently tap the blade through. Then I recommend cutting each of these quarters in half again. From there, tip of the knife on the board, smooth rocking action, giving you nice diced cucumber. And that's how you cut a cucumber.